Welcome back to Crack the Windows. In today's video, we are diving deep into resolving laptop Wi-Fi connection issues. Whether you are struggling with slow speeds, connectivity problems, or missing Wi-Fi options, we've got you covered with professional tips and tricks. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to optimize your Wi-Fi connection for faster speeds and seamless browsing. So, let's crack the windows. The first step in troubleshooting of any Wi-Fi issue is to check its drivers. Outdated Wi-Fi drivers can often cause connectivity issues. To update your drivers, right-click on the Start menu, select Device Manager, and expand the Network Adapters category. Find your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click on it, and select Update Driver. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update process. Firewalls are designed to protect your computer from unauthorized access, but they can sometimes block legitimate network traffic, including Wi-Fi connections. Check your firewall settings to ensure that they're not blocking your Wi-Fi connection. You can usually find firewall settings in the Control Panel or Settings app under Security or Firewall options. Make sure that your Wi-Fi network is listed as a trusted network or allow it listed in the firewall settings. Temporarily, you can disable firewall to check if Wi-Fi working properly. Sometimes, resetting the TCP/IP stack can resolve stubborn Wi-Fi problems. To do this, open Command Prompt as an administrator by searching for CMD in the Start menu, right-clicking on Command Prompt, and selecting Run as Administrator. Then, type the following commands one by one: netsh winsock reset, netshintip reset. After entering each command, press Enter and restart your computer. Incorrect network settings can also contribute to Wi-Fi issues. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi, and ensure that the settings are configured correctly. Pay attention to options like IP address configuration and DNS settings. You can also try resetting your network settings to default and reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network. Power-saving features for your Wi-Fi adapter can sometimes interfere with its performance. To disable this feature, go to Device Manager. Locate your Wi-Fi adapter under Network Adapters. Right-click on it, select Properties, go to the Power Management tab, and uncheck the option that allows the computer to turn off the device to save power. We can use Command Prompt to flush DNS, domain name system, cache and renew your IP address. Open Command Prompt as Administrator, search for it in the Start menu and right-click, Run as Administrator. Type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each: ipconfig, flush DNS, this flushes the DNS cache. ipconfig, release, this releases your current IP address. ipconfig, renew, this renews your IP address. Malware or viruses can compromise your system's security and disrupt network connections, including Wi-Fi. Perform a thorough scan of your laptop using a reputable antivirus or anti-malware software to detect and remove any malicious programs. I'm using PC Manager as my trusted advisor for PC-related problems. This antivirus is backed by Microsoft itself and it offers super fast virus removal, one-click speed boost and complete system security check. I had made a detailed video on PC Manager, so don't forget to watch that video after this one. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what other tech problems you'd like to see tackled next. Conflicts between software applications or background processes can sometimes interfere with your Wi-Fi connection. Use Task Manager to identify any programs or processes consuming a significant amount of network resources. Close any unnecessary applications or processes that may be competing for bandwidth or causing conflicts with your Wi-Fi adapter. You can access Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Physical barriers like walls and thick doors can weaken Wi-Fi signals. If possible, position your laptop closer to the router for a stronger connection. That's it for today. For more tech hacks and solutions, be sure to subscribe to Crack the Windows and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.